viewers, this is Vrushalivs from Vrusharaj classes. We have already completed one chapter of science, that is chemical reactions and equations. You can check the link of the same given in the comment box. Today I am going to start one important chapter of mathematics, that is arithmetic progression. Before starting this chapter, I would like to request you all to watch this video till end. At the end of this video, I will be giving you one very important tip regarding the chapter.
What is sequence? Arrangement of numbers according to some specific rule is called as sequence. Now here you can see three examples. In first example, 3 is added continuously to get the next number. The second example is the set of perfect squares. In third example, 2 is multiplied continuously to get the next term. So such arrangement of numbers which follow some specific rule is called as sequence. In this chapter, we are going to study only one type of sequence, that is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is the sequence in which the difference between any two consecutive terms is always constant. Now just check the examples given below. The first example, 10, 20, 30, 40. Here the difference between the consecutive terms is plus 10. In second example, that is 15, 10, 5, 0, minus 5. Here the difference between the consecutive terms is minus 5. So such sequence are called as arithmetic progression. Now let us see few important terms related to the arithmetic progression. The first term of arithmetic progression is always denoted by A. The common difference is denoted by D. This common difference can be 0 or any positive or negative number. Now let us see how to get the preceding and succeeding terms of the AP. Here I have given one AP, that is 10, 13, 16, 19. The first term of AP is 10. The common difference here is 3. Now let us consider one term of this AP, that is 16. To get the preceding term of 16, we have to subtract the common difference. 16 minus 3, that is 13. To get the succeeding term of 16, we have to add the common difference, that is 16 plus 3, we get 19. So this is how we find the preceding and the succeeding terms of an AP. Here are few more important terms of AP. If AP is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and so on, where A1, A2, A3 are the terms of AP and AN is the nth term of AP, we have one simple formula to find the nth term of AP. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where AN stands for the nth term of an AP, A is the first term of an AP, D is the common difference and n is number of terms.
Let us see how to find the nth term of AP. Here I have given one example. 3, 7, 11, 15 is one AP, and let us find 10th term of this AP. Now already I have explained you that the first term of AP is denoted by A. So here the first term is 3. D is the common difference between the two consecutive terms. So let us find D by subtracting 3 from 7. So here our D is 4 and we have to find 10th term. That means our n is 10. We know the formula to find nth term of AP, that is AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So let us substitute the given values and find the 10th term. So A10 is, here A is 3. So let us write 3 in place of A, plus n is 10 minus 1 into D, that is 4. So 3 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into 4. 3 plus 9 4s are 36. 3 plus 36 is 39. So A10 is 39. So this is how we find nth term of AP using the formula AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now let us check one more example to find a number of terms of an given AP. Now here the given AP is 7, 13, 19 and the last term of the AP is 205. we have to find how many terms are there in this AP. That means which term of AP is 205. So let us write first all the known values. First term, that is A, is 7. The common difference is 13 minus 7, that is 6. And here AN is 205. And what we have to find here is number of terms. We have to use the same formula here. That is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Substitute again the known values here. AN is 205 is equal to 7 plus N minus 1 into 6. Let us take this 7 here. So when we shift the numbers, it becomes minus 7, N minus 1 into 6. 205 minus 7 is 198 is equal to N minus 1 into 6. Sorry, we have to write here 6. So here N minus 1 is, now this 6 will come here below 198. Is 198 divided by 6. 6 3s are 3s are. So N minus 1 is 33. So N is equal to this minus 1 is shifted on the other side and it becomes plus 1. So here N is equal to 34. So in this given AP, that is from 7 to 205, the total number of terms are 34 here in this AP. This means 34th term of AP is 205. So as I said, at the end of this video, I will give one important tip. Now let us see how to use the formulas of mathematics. Here in this chapter already we have seen this one simple formula, that is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, where A stands for the first term, N stands for the number of terms, D stands for the common difference, and AN stands for the nth term of the AP. So in any mathematical formula, whatever terms are present in the formula, from this one term will be the unknown. That means the value of one term we will have to find. So what is the simple thing what you have to do? Write the formula properly. Below that, write the given values properly and solve by using the simple rules of solving the simple equations. If possible, in my coming videos, I will explain you how to solve these simple equations, which will help you to solve many simple sums in your mathematics.